Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing very special recipe for vegan, gluten-free, spicy cauliflower wings. And these are super healthy, tasty, spicy and crispy. As we are not deep frying, it is a guilt-free snack for all age groups. And the best part of this recipe is it is gluten-free, as I'm not using all-purpose flour or wheat flour and not even corn flour. So let's get into the video and check out the recipe for best cauliflower wings ever. To start with our recipe, here I took one big cauliflower and I have cut this cauliflower into small florets, and here I have this warm water, so I'm going to transfer this cauliflower into warm water. Here I added half a teaspoon of salt to this warm water and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm transferring all the cauliflower florets to this warm water. This way we are going to blanch the cauliflower in a salty acidic solution, and this will not only help us remove any dirt, but it will also kill any bacteria and pests that might be residing in it. Now leave this aside for 5 minutes, and meanwhile here I measured half cup of chickpea flour or besan and 1/4 cup of rice flour and added to a mixing bowl. I'm adding salt as per taste, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and finally 3 teaspoons of oil. After adding all the spices and oil, I'm giving a good mix so that all the spices mix up with the flours, and then add water gradually and mix into a batter. The batter here should be thick, otherwise the florets will not be crispy. In case if the batter is little runny, add a little amount of flour and try to mix it thick, otherwise the florets will be soggy. Once the batter is mixed, strain the cauliflower florets and transfer to the batter. Make sure to strain the water completely, otherwise water from the florets will make the batter runny and the wings will not be crispy. After transferring all the florets, here I'm giving a good mix so that this batter binds to each floret, and also make sure that these florets are not broken while mixing. With this, all the cauliflower florets are well coated, so I took a baking tray and I placed a parchment paper, and I'm greasing the parchment paper so that the cauliflower florets do not stick to the paper. Now here I'm transferring each cauliflower floret to this baking tray, and here if you observe, I am placing each piece separately so that they are not clumsy. If they are overloaded and clumsy, then each floret will not be baked properly and they will not be crispy. And also make sure to leave the florets in warm water just for 5 minutes and immediately take out of the water and marinate it, and immediately after marinating transfer to the oven. Here our baking trays are ready, so I'm transferring to the oven that is preheated at 425 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake them for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm removing from the oven and transferring to the other side and allow them to bake on the other side for another 15 minutes. Once they're baked on both sides, here I'm measuring 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot chili sauce and adding to a mixing bowl. You may adjust the chili sauce according to your spice levels. Here I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce and 4 teaspoons of oil. If you want the wings to be less spicy and less hot, you can reduce half of this chili sauce and add tomato ketchup, replacing half of the chili sauce. Now give a good mix so that everything combines well, and once it is combined well, here I am transferring all the cauliflower florets. Once all the florets are transferred to the sauces, here I am mixing everything so that these cauliflower wings are coated with the sauces that we added. Here our cauliflower wings are ready, and I am transferring them to the baking tray. In case if you are baking these wings for kids, you may add a little amount of organic sugar along with the sauces, but here in this recipe I did not add any sugar. Once they are coated with the sauce, again I am baking them for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our wings are out of the oven and ready to be served. So friends, try making this vegan, gluten-free, spicy cauliflower wings, and if you like the recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.